Well, hello there. Welcome to the break here from Bounty Hunter Breaks. This is Boba Fett me. And today on my way to breakfast, I stopped at Wal-Mart to see if they had anything new, and lo and behold, they actually had Parkhurst hockey. Now, I know Upper Deck on their e-pack just basically put this up on the site yesterday, and normally this is just a retail product along with the e-pack. So I wasn't certain this year with all the delays in getting paper product out if it was just going to be a digital release only. Because I would have expected that, but especially considering all the delays that Upper Deck has had with last year's product for 2020-21 and even being behind for this year. So anyway, I was kind of shocked to see the physical product there, but you do have a very slim chance, but there are chances for autographs in this. As I say, it says the prominent prospect autograph cards. There's 10 cards per pack, 12 packs per box, so you basically are getting 120 cards. Again, being a Walmart direct release, because I want to say Walmart's the only place I've ever seen it. I've never seen it at a Target or anywhere else. But again, it's a product that used to be Pro Set, and then when Pro Set went under, or actually before Pro Set went under, Upper Deck picked it up and then turned around and just made it a retail release. So kind of go slow on the first couple packs just to kind of give an idea what the base cards look like, and if we get the inserts, what they look like. It's probably pretty standard from what Parkhurst has been in years past. So you got to start off with a Cal Peterson, and there's your back. It's pretty much the same image on front. It's a little bit thicker cardstock than years past. Got Carter Hart, Tim Stützle, Maxime Comtois. And I think this is called the what? Because it says one per pack. Where did I see it? I'm not seeing it on the box now, but I could have swore there was somewhere I read one per pack are these inserts. But that's a Parky though. So that's not one of the parallels, but normally there's like the silver parallels. Ryan O'Reilly for the Blues. Oh, goodness. Steve Stamkos, Nico Hischier, Andrei Svechnikov, Devin Tays, and Jack Roslovich. I'll move that other box so that way give me more room to set product over here. So we'll see. Thomas Greiss, Eli Tolvanen, Taylor Hall, Essa Linden. There's an interesting one, a new insert. Family Tradition for Andrei Svechnikov, Rasmus Kupari, Ryan O'Reilly, duplicate already, Olofsson, Bo Horvat, and Mackenzie Blackwood for the Devils. Oh my goodness. This one they really glued. UC Saros, Johan Larsson, Joel Farabee. There's our first gray border. Mark Edward Vlasic. And of course, there's no indication on the back of it being a parallel. Stamkos, Matisse Samuelson rookie. There's our first rookie. Adam Pellich, Vincent Trocek, TJ Brody, poor Toronto, and Kristen Fisher. Yep, poor Toronto. They potentially had a chance to take out the two-time champs, and they failed. Torrey Krug, former Bruin. Lars Eller, Chris Kreider, Ilya Mikheyev, our next gray border, Kevin LeBlanc, another Matisse Samuelson rookie, Artemi Panarin, Zach Werenski, Jonathan Marchessault, and Andrei Burakovsky. So far, none of the big names have been popping up. Another difficult pack to crack. Kasperi Kapanen, Dmitry Orlov, Roop Hintz. There's one of the prominent prospects of Walt Kolniak. Panarin, Tanner Lazinski, rookie, Travis Konechny, Ryan Hartman, Elvis Merzlikins, and Jordan Stahl. Next pack. Thatcher Demko, Jonas Corpusalo, Jacob Vrana, Colton Parayko. There's one of the prominent prospects, Alex Newhook for Colorado. Roman Josi, Jack Eichel, still showing on Buffalo. Mike Smith, Edmonton, Erik Karlsson, and Philip Forsberg. So I'll sleeve up the Newhook prominent. A little bit of damage on that lower left corner. Right out of the pack. Sean Moynihan, Alexander Texier, Alex Kerfoot, Philip Hronek, Cam Talbot, Parkey, right? Yep. PK1, Mikko Rantanen, Tomasino rookie, Kevin LeBlanc again, Neil Pionk, Jonathan Quick. Five packs left in this first one. Like I say, you certainly get a lot of cards, but sadly it looks like Coalition is a little lacking, so you kind of get a lot of dupes just in one box. Tyson Yost. I'm going to just say Jesse P, because Polya Jajar. Yeah, whatever. Varlamov. Oh, here's our gold. First, probably get one gold a box, I would guess. Patrice Bergeron. A Barrett Hayton gold parallel. Tyler Toffoli. Jesse Yonin. Montreal rookie. Jeff Petrie. Pierre-Luc Dubois. And TJ Oshie. So we'll sleeve up the gold, even though it's Barrett Hayton. It is still a gold. And they are not numbered, but again, pretty much just one per blaster. At least that's what I recall it being in the past. Charlie McAvoy, Jacob Slavin, Niles Hoglander, another prominent prospect, and this one, the top right, is dog-eared. Kevin Fiala, Carey Price, Cam Talbot, Dylan Strom, Zach Cassian, and Andrew Maggiapan. I'm sure I brutally pronounced that one. Still 3 packs to go. Drew Doughty on the back. Ilya Sorokin, Troy Terry, Philippe Chitil, Boone Jenner, Parkey. So that's our third Parkey in the box. A Mort Sider rookie for the Red Wings. Alexander Barkov, Elias Lindholm, Nito Niederreiter for Carolina in the Whalers colors. Jacob Chichurin, Drew Doughty. 2 packs left. John Klingberg, Justin Falk, Radim Simic, and another gray border rookie, Mike Hardman for the Blackhawks. Another rookie of Adam Ruzicka, Gabriel Landeskog, Ryan Strome, Brock Nelson for the Islanders. Jamie Benn, Tarasenko. And last pack of the first blaster. Alexander Romanov, Dylan Larkin, Cam Fowler, Pietrangelo. Another prominent prospect. This time it's Ross Colton for the Lightning. And right behind that, first pretty good rookie there of Spencer Knight. And of course, right behind that, we get Connor McDavid. Again, just a base. Evander Kane still showing on the Sharks. Sean Couturier and Brendan Gallagher, last card in that box. So we'll try to go faster in this one. Just kind of show all the inserts and such. Skip all the base, if at all possible. At least not call out every player. Just look for inserts and color. Ooh, we got something here. Ooh, and that's a nice one too. Ice in the Veins, Marc-Andre Fleury before he got traded mid-season. Another Spencer Knight right behind it. You can definitely see the correlation is pretty consistent because just like in the last box, right behind Spencer Knight was Connor McDavid, and holds true again. Getzlaff, Schultz, Kirby Dach. Sorry, I put Connor McDavid in the wrong side. So what do we got here? Oh, numbered to 99. Prominent prospect of Jesse Ylonen. That's an interesting insert. Again, I didn't really show the pack or the box as far as odds. I suppose I could for those who are interested. But I know I wouldn't be able to read any of those, but Shows you what your different parallels can be. A prominent prospect of Philip Gustafson for Ottawa, and Adam Ruzicka, rookie. So yeah, that's the only thing I found is a little bit of a downside of the product is that correlation just seems to be horrendous in the sense that you get a lot of the same cards over and over. And I want to say it's a 300 card set. At least that's what it has been in the past. Because the first 200 are players and such, that whether it be rookies and everything like that, and then after that, then they get into the legends. But I haven't seen a single legend card or all-star. Another ice in the veins of Jack Eichel. So, didn't have a single one in the first box, but in this box already the second. Already the second ice in the veins insert. So again, like I say, kind of hit or miss how they laid it out. A prominent prospect of Philip Tomasino for the Preds. Another rookie, Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen for Buffalo. Packs are overrunning. Another gold. So I'm sensing a theme between these two boxes, because another Arizona Coyote gold of Jacob Truchin and Kirill Kaprizov. Tanner Jeannot rookie. Down to what, the final six. Cam Talbot, Parky, which I think I already have one of him. David Ferrance, rookie for the Preds. God. Prominent prospect of Walt Kalniak for the Blackhawks. Another rookie, Lucas Raymond for the Red Wings. Down to the last four. Another gray border of Ryan Pulock, or silver. Coyotes, goalie rookie, Ivan Provetov, Huberdeau. Family tradition for Svechnikov, and I want to say that's who I had in the first box. William Eklund, rookie for the Sharks. Last two packs. Can I get an auto? Sorokin. Prominent prospect of Russ Colton. Oh, there's Quentin Byfield. I mean, it's no Chuck. Last pack. Brent Burns. A Jacob Bryson rookie for Buffalo. Backstrom, Lafreniere, Cousins. So you do get a healthy stack of rookies and such, but kind of go through real quick. Got the Jacob Bryson, the Gray of Brett Burns, Quentin Byfeld, rookie, prominent prospect of Ross Colton, Liam Eklund, rookie, the family tradition, Sveshnikov, Prozesov, rookie for the Coyotes, Ryan Pulock, silver, Lucas Raymond, rookie, Walt Kalniak, prominent prospect, David France, rookie, Cam Talbot, Parkey. Our gold border in the second box was Jacob Chichirin, Tanner Jeannot, rookie, Luka Pekkanen, or Pekka Lukanen, sorry. Tomasino, prominent prospect, the ice in the veins of Eichel, Moritz Seider, JT Compher, silver, the Adam Ruzicka, rookie, and a prominent prospect of Philip Gustafsson for Ottawa. And then the prominent prospect, pink border, or whatever it's referred to, the Jesse Yonlin to 99, Spencer Knight, rookie, Marc-Andre Fleury, ice in the veins, Spencer Knight again, Ross Colton, prominent prospect, Adam Ruzicka, rookie, the silver bordered rookie of Mike Hardman, Mort Seider, rookie, Boone Jenner, Parkey, Tomasino, prominent prospect, Barrett Hayton, gold border, Jesse Yonlin, rookie, Tomasino, rookie, Cam Talbot, Parkey, prominent prospect of Newhook, Tanner Lazinski for the Flyers, rookie, prominent prospect Walt Kalniak, LeBlanc, silver, Matisse Samuelson, rookie, again Samuelson, rookie, Vlasic, silver border, family, Sveshnikov again, and the Comtois for the Parkey. So yeah, that concludes this dual blaster box break of 2021-22 Parkhurst hockey. So appreciate you taking the time to watch it, and hope you all have a great rest of your day. And as always, keep collecting.